Trace mo na isa naman. Go. Go na. Okay, gusto niyo nakatingin pa sa camera. O, tingin na. Go na, sige. Sa mahiya ka? It's okay. Don't be shy. Pakita mo kay teacher na alam mo na yung letters na mo. Ha? Magkakalit mo tayo pag sumunod ka ng kasama si Andy. Sticker. Star. Gusto mo na star? Ayan. Sticker later. Go all. Gusto niya nakakawa. Okay, easy. Up to bottom. Very good. Next. Very good. Okay, good job. And the cheek. Hold your fingers. Good job. And here from there. Sorry. Kasi dito pala ito. Sorry.
Pareho eh, kaya eh.
How about this one? The X will be from top to bottom. Ready? And
Look at your book.
side view na lang. Up, down, and up. Very good. One more up. Here, draw a line and connect the toy castle. Oh, kasi very good. Sige. Oh, you start high. Start from top to bottom again.
Nalilito pa siya. Auntie tawag sa'yo. Auntie, mami. Go na. Nakikinig si teacher.
Sige, listen to the teacher.
Favorite mo yan, di ba?
Let's continue this one. You try to stay inside the white path. Okay?
What next? Very good.
Yay! Very good. Next one. Okay, connect all the dots. So connect all the dots until you reach the star.
Okay, fine. How about 12 minutes later?
How about this one?
Finish your school.
So you help the dog to find its kennel. Connect all the dots again until you reach the star.
Yung dog na sa house.
Very done.
Very good.
Sit easy. Sit easy.
Focus. Please down.
What's the sign?
Let's go.
Letter TV, please.
Listen.
Next. What's the sign? Another sign.
Book.
Rabbit. Yeah, correct. How about this one?
What letter?
Hi. What's the sound of that one? You know what's this?
You know the sound?
No. Say E. Igloo. Next.
Look at teacher.
Next. J, correct. What's the sound?
Look at the teacher. That's a job.
How many minutes do I have left?
Job. Sound is J. Sound po. Sound B. Oh, what's this? What's that? What's this, baby? Mahirap. Yeah, look at the teacher. It's okay lang mo ikamali. Tuturuan ka nga teacher.
It's okay.
What's that?
Kaya ka nag-school para because all is.
Come on na, what's that now? Look at the teacher. Na-focus na kay Teacher Bunny.
Off naman natin yung video.
Oh, enough na. Oh, look at the
Sige,
teacher.
what's this?
Oh, what's the sound of it?
You have to try.
Oh, you try lang.
Just try, okay?
Continue lang.
How about this one? C. Oh, what's this one? C. What's this one? Cat. Cat. Sige. Next. This one?
Focus kay Teacher ano?
Kite. Oh, what's the sound? This one. K. Kite. You're correct. Kite. What's the sound of letter K? What's the sing sound?
May ano,
What's the sound of this? Do you remember?
may sis na lang.
Mm-hmm. Do you remember the sound of C?
Sure.
Cat. Paano mo na ang volume naman? Oh, yung sound is... Okay, sing sila. What's the sound? What's the sound? Sing sila na. Sing sila.
Same daw eh.
Sige.
Then, same.
Ah, they have the same sound. No?
Where?
Kite. How about this one?
Where's zero?
Oh.
Zero.
Octopus correct. Oh, what's the sound of letter O? Louder. What's the sound? Correct. That's correct. Oh, okay.
Okay naman.
Don't be shy, ha? Kasi, it's okay lang kahit may mistake. How about this? How about this one, baby? What letter?
7 plus 4.
T. Correct. What's the sound of T, you know? What's the sound?
Look at the teacher na. Look, focus na.
What's the sound?
7 plus 4.
Oh, naka-video. Anong sound?
Anong sound?
Dapat 12.
What's this?
Alam mo, hindi.
That one is a two.
Correct. That's a T. So the sound is... You see? Can you tell me the sound of this letter? What's the sound?
Sound. Sound ng T.
See it. Can you see it? Very nice. How about it?
What letter?
What letter?
If you look at the teacher.
Oh, you said yun na lang.
Do you know that?
You don't know.
What letter?
What letter? It's Y. It's okay. The sound is
What's the sound?
say yeah. Naman natin.
No.
It's okay say low, but na si
Oo, lobat na para meron tayo pang carousel, ha?